Cantonese food doesn't hide behind heavy sauce or spices. It's all about balance, texture, and technique. You can taste when it's done right. Sunrise Noodle House in Rosemead invited us to try some stuff on their menu, and everything felt clean but still full of flavor. From the bouncy wontons to the silky rice rolls and yellow chicken, this spot shows how good Cantonese food can be when it's done with care. The interior is really nice, very clean and very spacious.
And a very inviting feeling. I like that about this place.
And parking's in the back. We got a milk tea and a lemon tea today. This is a Hong Kong style milk tea. It tastes very light, but very lightly sweetened too. And this cup is really pretty. And they have the lemon tea. Oh, the lemon tea's good, but we gotta stab the lemon. Ooh, this always hits. This one is very light in flavor. This is not as thick and creamy as a traditional Hong Kong milk tea. So if you like that kind of milk tea flavor, this is for you.
This is also good because they also have Vietnamese coffee and they also have breakfast items as well.
They have breakfast items like congee. Also, their menu is all day. So they don't have a breakfast menu, they just have one set menu all day. So I was looking at their Yelp with one of their staff members and they mentioned that the items that are like Vietnamese noodles and stuff like that is not their food. They just took over the Yelp page from the previous restaurants. The previous restaurant here used to be a Vietnamese shop. So that's why you might see some Vietnamese noodles on here, but that is not going to be seen on their menu. These are so cute. There's so many wontons in here. Whoa. Apparently, it's one of the best in SGV, but I will be the judge of that. This wonton soup is really good, actually. It tastes really homemade. And this soup, it's very clear. It's a chicken broth. But the wonton, you know what I like about it is that it's bite-sized. Ingredients are really nice inside. It has tons of porky flavor and shrimp flavor. Can we just say that everything came out in 10 minutes? Less than 10 minutes.
Let's start with like the smaller stuff because this is the side, but look at this popcorn shake. It's so crispy looking. Basil, very essential. Oh, that's really good. I like because it has a lot of crispiness and it's not very oily.
So this is a rice noodle dish in a clay pot. And it has fish paste, seafood, daikon, and chicken.
The noodles are all the way on the bottom because this is so heavily topped with so many different things in here. I'm not in a shrimp peeling mood today, so it's all yours. All right, Lisa's number one rule is always try the soup first. Oh, the soup is really interesting because once again, it's clear, kind of like the wonton soup. But I feel like some of the seafoodiness just from the shrimp gets into it a little bit and it's like a little bit of chicken. And then also probably from the fish cake, I'm guessing that's where a lot of the seafoody taste comes from.
Thin rice noodle, this is Peter's favorite.
So if you like simple soup with like a lot of toppings, this is really good. It does have like that homemade type of flavor and feel to it. And I think the noodles do a good job of soaking up the flavor. Oh, the chicken's really good in it too. The chicken is nice and tender. And I feel like the chicken is also very well seasoned. Now that I'm digging through this, look how much noodle is in this.
Holy moly. And it's a big pot. That is a truffle egg rice roll with sweet soy sauce. We need to prioritize eating this because rice rolls, when they're cold, they're not as bouncy.
Yeah.
And this one looks super homemade.
I don't think I did a good enough job of putting the sauce over it.
While we're waiting, we also have a shrimp one that we ordered. We're gonna pour it so then it can soak up more of the soy sauce.
But really nice chew to it. So if you've never had these before, it's like a very delightful chewiness. It's not overpowered by the truffle taste, but it looks like this one is just rice roll, green onions, and these little shrimps. I really like the texture of the rice rolls here. It's more silky. Just gotta make sure it's properly sauced again.
I wanna try this beef offal. This one is called ao zap. Bunch of different intestines, slow cooked, so super tender. Like they have liver, they got some daikon, some tripe. It takes a lot of skill to make because if you don't cook it properly, then it's gonna be too chewy and not tender. The liver is good. It doesn't have the bitter taste that a lot of places have. Let's try the tripe. It's so soft. Daikon still has that integrity. It's not like melted. Perfect. He said this is a popular item here.
The liquid in it is not necessarily soup, right?
It's not soup, it's the braised liquid. This rice noodle is calling my name. I think this is the perfect soup. In Cantonese, we call this ting pim. It's so good. Rice noodles, nice and bouncy. So good. I'm gonna try some more chicken. They use the yellow chicken. In Chinese, we call it wang mo gai. And he gave us some of this sauce too. You guys might remember this sauce if you've ever eaten Hainan chicken. It has ginger, it has a little bit chili in it. This is really good. I'm gonna put the sauce on everything. This is the housemade, which is the thick rice noodle. And they saute it in like a soy sauce with supreme soy sauce and then some thinly sliced sausages, lettuce, and some onions. I love this kind of noodles. This is a dish that my mom would make at home. It's a very homey dish. The Chinese sausage is really chewy, but not like break your teeth chewy. Texture of a, not quite jerky, but a little bit towards the jerky side because it's a dried sausage. That's the difference between a Chinese sausage and an American sausage, is that it's more of like a dried version, like a salami. I'm a fan. I need to try this. It's so bubbly and crispy. It's not oily and it still has a crunchy. See the shrimp. Let me try to get a perfect bite. The shrimp is still bouncy. The noodle is still chewy. This sauce is a game changer, so I want to try it with this. A little spicy, you know? That sauce is addictive. When you come here, ask for that sauce.
There's so many wontons in here.
Yeah.
Is it pumpkin?
Huh?
Vegetable or something in there? That's how it tastes. Oh no, it was the egg yolk, right?
Oh, salted egg yolk.
That's what it is. Okay, so salted egg yolk is really good, but it's actually not that salty. It's really interesting because it has like a different like texture in it. It almost tastes like a pumpkin. I like it a lot. The rule is always pour it on the side, right?
Yep, and this is a beef short rib. So pouring it on the side will help loosen the rice from the edges.
I think it's soaking up some of the flavor of the meat.
Yes.
Oh, it was so good. It's nice and savory. The rice is so fragrant. Really awesome. I like it a lot. And I think because it's in this foil, the sides aren't that sticky. My only regret is that we should have had it when it was like burn your mouth hot.
The rice is so fragrant. The soy sauce is perfect. I feel like a kid. This is like a dish that reminds me of my childhood. At least once a week, I would eat that. The steaming and the overnight marinating is what makes it so tender. So this is a very traditional Cantonese type of dish. I'm such a fan. I love this restaurant. It's a tough choice, but this is my favorite.
Yeah, I think that's 2 votes.
We tried. We tried our best. But they were too generous.
We finished one thing, and that was the lettuce.
The lettuce.
Everything was really delicious here. So if you're interested in checking out Cantonese cuisine and trying all different kinds of things that they offer here, you should definitely check out Sunrise Noodle House here in Rosemead. Also, if you're interested in checking out a ton of other stuff in SGV, we have a video that you should check out right here.